We all moved down here from Montana about 3 years ago. Couldn't be happier. We got here as fast as we could. But here's a song that I wrote just before I left Montana. There's the title track of our album, Leaving Montana.